So next we have the portal abilities. First we'll start with the summoning portal. Currently this is only going to summon one type of creature because it is the same functionality. So by clicking on the portal, you summon the portal and this takes control away from the player. We can then summon a creature into the world, and if I just select that, it will seek out the nearest enemy and start attacking them. It will pursue them till either it dies or until the enemy dies. Now what we will see down here is when it kills the enemy, it will gain a sacrifice stack. Now every time a creature kills an enemy, it gains one of these stacks up to a maximum of 10. That means when we sacrifice the creature, which is the portal's other ability, we will get the base cost of that creature back, timed, and then 10% on top of that for each stack. So when I sacrifice this creature now, we should get 260 health back, which we should see in a print. Well, that was 280. If I summon another creature, what we'll see here is it's a little bit too far out of that range, so I'm just going to move it into range of those other characters. And if I sacrifice that straight away, what we should see is a health return of 200. So this health is returned to the portal, not to the player. Although you will notice that when I summon a creature, it should take health away from the portal as well. Now currently, there is no limit on the amount of creatures the portal can spawn. It is just determined literally by its health. Also, we can sacrifice multiple creatures at once to return that health to the portal. The next portal is the teleportal. So first I'm just going to put a summon portal down by these enemies. And then I'll pop a teleportal over here. Now you can only have one teleportal up at a time, so if I place another one down, it will replace the existing one, but it will also still take the health cost to give it a little bit of punishment for the player if they want to move it. By clicking on the portal, we have two abilities. We can teleport to another portal. The UI for this is currently a bit broken, the rotations are out. And that will teleport us to that portal and give us control of the character back. By clicking on it again, our other ability is we can overload that portal. So if I click that, we should see this portal start to explode and kill the things around it. Now that damage, the explosion, is going to damage everything, including creatures, the player, and enemies. So it is kind of like an end-all ability.